Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2014 Jaguar F-Type. This is the 3-litre V6 supercharger. So this is a 14 plate, so very nice car indeed. Lovely mileage and in outstanding order. Beautiful, beautiful car throughout. Now the car is sat on the 20-inch upgrade alloy wheels. Now they've been powder coated in black finish. The racing red paintwork is in superb condition. I think it's got to be one of the best colours for this age of vehicle. This one's got the panoramic glass roof. Externally, we then have obviously the upgrade 20-inch alloy wheels. But the paintwork on this vehicle is as good as the day it left the factory. We've just touched in a tiny couple of little stone chips, but nothing more than that. It is a credit to the previous keeper, this car. Lovely twin tailpipe there in gorgeous chrome condition. Reversing camera, factory option on this one. And then as we pop the boot, it's got the Jaguar boot liner. So again, you can get an idea that whoever owned it didn't want his boot carpet marking, so bought the Jaguar tailored boot liner for that. Now the chrome detailing on it just sets it off. I've got the 2 keys in my pocket, but just look at the shine on that in this sunshine here today in wonderful Wigan. All around the car just screams love, cherished ownership. Now when you open the door, do like the red seatbelt option on this. Looks super. Contrast the external well. Now we've got the power folding mirrors, factory option. We've got 14-way memory seats both for the driver and the passenger. Mega big option. We've got heated seats with option. We've got full leather interior option. So some very nice options. 53,211 miles as I do the video today. Start the car up, it jumps into life. We get that standard V6 rasp that these cars give off. We then have multifunction steering wheel. We've got the paddle shift if you want to drive it as a manual car. And then we've got the communication package. So let's have a look at the radio. So radio's there. DAB. Satellite navigation. Yes. Bluetooth phone. I've been through all of these, so I know it's got it. Climate control. You can use the functions on the manual, or you can just use we then obviously got the parking sensors on the front and on the rear and reverse camera as well. So technology wise, this one's got it all as of what would be available in 2014. Air conditioning, and then we've got the driving modes here, which is that there. We can then rain, ice, snow confirmed, you know. So if you're driving in dynamic mode confirm. I just drive it economy. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell that this car's never been smoked in. No smell of cigarettes or anything. It smells fresh, clean, and as it would do when it was new. The glass panel roof there. We do have the sunblind which goes over, manual, and then you can just pull it back. As I say, the red seat belts, they're a lovely contrast and just sort of bring all of that colour into the car from external to internal. Do like that. Nice gloss on the glass there, you can see, but everything is in lovely order. Down the doors, the edges are all lovely. Couple of minor touch-ins, but again, 2014, 9 years old, 53,000 miles we said. All the service history is detailed on our website. Everything that was there when it was new is still available today. So we've got the 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got the complement of the service documentation, direct from the dealer to us, this one. Lovely car. Buy in full confidence with this. If you fancy yourself in a Jaguar F-Type, then this could be the one for you. It is a lovely piece of kit, this. We've got 2 in at the moment. Take a look at those on our website. Lovely cars. Anyway, if you'd like to reserve this car here in Wigan, so you only have to come once, at which point then once you've approved it, test drove it, you're happy with it, you can drive away in the same day. Good idea that, isn't it? I know we all live on busy lives now. So, give us a call, If you've got a part exchange, we'll take it. If you need finance, we can sort that out for you. But as I say, you only need to come once you've reserved it with us. So I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee. We'll be happy to help you. Take a look at our reviews, guys. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer. Been doing this now in Wigan for more than 40 years in the same family business. That's good, isn't it? Not many independent garages can tell you they've been in business 40 years. So we must be doing something right. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to your inquiry.